All right, my name is Hithane Gentilopoli, and I will be doing the Burp Suite lab. Task one is to set up a account and install Burp Suite Community Edition, but I already did that for another class, so I'll be skipping task one. So task two, I'll be going to this browser. Um, and proxy in the browser. Access the lab. Okay, now I'll go back to Burp Suite and click on Intercept and type in A, B, C, D. It should not load because I have Intercept on. Now I'm gonna try to search for find my GET request, and this is the GET request. I searched something so simple so Burp can capture the request. This is the GET request, and the search value is in the URL. Now I'm gonna send this GET request to the repeater. So the reason I sent it to repeater so I can edit it. And in the repeater, I'll change the value. I'll place ABCD with script, alert, script. Now since it's orange, that means good. So the reason I'm doing this is to test for the XSS. And I now send it to see the response, and looks like the server didn't block it by returning a 200. Okay. Now we'll go back to proxy, make sure the intercept is on, and now I'll go to the request parameters, query parameters, and I'll replace it with script alert script. Apply these changes. Click forward. Should show an alert box. If I go back here, yep, and it shows an alert box. So what I did was put the same script in the inspector and then forwarded it, and then the browser pops an alert, which means the XSS worked. Now on to the next lab. Oh, I forgot to turn off intercept. Now I'm gonna access this lab. And basically do the same thing by turning this intercept on. And in this lab browser, I'll search MG SRC equals one error equals alert. Document cookie. I click search. I'll go back to burp. This is the one that I did. Let's go back to the browser, and you can see that it says tag is not allowed. So basically, I tried a normal image payload, but the page blocks it. And now I'll go back to burp, go to HTTP history. Try to find where the payload is. I think it's this one. Yep. Right click it to intruder. So set the request to intruder so I can try many payloads automatically. First I'll clear. Uh, uh, then I'll highlight this and click add. So I selected that search parameter as a spot to test payloads. Now I will intercept. Or go to the cheat sheet. Or copy the tags to my clipboard. Now I'll paste the tags here. So basically pasted the XSS tag payloads from the cheat sheet. Now I'll start the attack. Okay. Now I'm starting the attack and waiting for burp to test the payloads. We'll get a stats code. And looks like these are the ones that return 200K, meaning that it wasn't blocked. Now I go back. Copy events payload. Do the same thing. Clear here. Now I paste it. Then start attack. Okay. Now this will take a while. But most of these, as you can see, give you a 200 response, meaning saying it's okay. Now we go back to this page. Access the web. Go to exploit server. Now open the exploit server to deliver the working access as payload. And in the body, paste iframe src equals https, or actually we should have one here. The body of the message, type the string. And basically get this. Get that and replace it with here. So basically pasting the iframe payload into the exploit server. I click store. And then do the exploit to the victim. And now it should work. Let me try it again. So .NET to this should be to the next lab. I'm just gonna here type A B C D, search, click inspect. And Control F, A B C D, search results for A B C D. Oh, also here, A B C D. So inspect the page and find the search title inside the image tag. You can see the page uses the document.write with my search input, so I can break the tag and inject the code. So Okay. Now I'm gonna remove A, B, C, D. Replace it with SVG. Mode worked. Now press enter. After pressing enter, the alert box showed up, so that the DOM exercise worked. Go to task. Next task. For this task, uh, saying that I can select any product and open it. Well, right click the check stock button, inspect, or stores. That means the store ID from the URL is injected into HTML using document.write. To enter the URL, I'm gonna add this to it. Store ID equals ABC. Press enter. Oh, see, drop down changes to ABC. Now I'm gonna insert the payload into store ID. Select IMG 20 SRC equals 1%, 21 error was alert, 1 enter, and then the alert pops up, meaning the lab is solved. I'm gonna go to the last lab. View post. In the comment box, I'm gonna type P. It is a test /B. Joseph will be that. Let's comment. It should appear bold. Yep, as appears. Now I'm going to use a real payload. One error equals alert. One Joseph. And then you click post comment. I go back to the home page. Oh, there, the lab is solved, showing an error. Now I can stop.